Thanks for joining us at xm.com. I'm Cristina Marujos, and you're watching the Daily Market Comment by Rafi Boyajian. Risk appetite is back into full mode as investors largely ignored growing unrest in the United States to instead focus on the increasing signs that a recovery from the pandemic is well underway. Investors also appeared to not be too concerned about the Trump administration's decision yesterday to investigate countries that are planning on taxing digital companies, which would mainly hurt U.S. tech giants such as Alphabet and Facebook. With U.S.-China tensions also still brewing in the background, equities have never looked so disconnected from the economic reality. Yet, as governments and central banks around the world are on standby to press the stimulus button, it shouldn't be too surprising for optimism to prevail. Economic data is also starting to support the notion that the worst is over, with China's services PMI rising above the expansionary 50 level in May and Eurozone services PMIs being revised up. Global stocks extended their gains on Wednesday, however, the positive sentiment weighed on safe havens as the yen and franc stumbled and the US dollar nosedived. The dollar index slipped to a 12-week low as the euro and pound surged on the back of the rising hopes of recovery. Commodity-linked currencies were not excluded from the rally, with the Australian dollar soaring to 5-month highs. The Canadian dollar is finally playing catch-up to the Aussie and Kiwi, jumping by around 300 pips since Monday to reach a near 3-month peak. Higher oil prices have also been aiding the currency and continued their ascent on Wednesday, with Brent hitting $40 a barrel on expectations that the OPEC Plus group of countries will extend the deep output cuts for a few more months when they meet on Thursday. But with Russia and Saudi Arabia at loggerheads on the length of the extension, the oil rally is at risk of faltering if the two sides fail to find a compromise. In the meantime, the Bank of Canada is expected to keep its policy unchanged when it meets later today. However, investors will be eager to see whether the new governor, Tiff Macklem, will signal any shift in the Bank of Canada's policy stance and whether more QE is on the cards. This was today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for watching at xm.com.